of our ocean if we hope to uncover their many hidden treasures. This is a disappointing detail because it shows how people must follow specific rules in order to still be allowed to find treasures in the ocean.
Because basically the question asking how do you respect the ocean, basically they're kind of like telling how.
To preserve the artifact. Wait, no, I need to think about it. What do you think?
I think that the line that says we must respect the power and mystery of our oceans if we hope to uncover their many hidden treasures. And I think that is the sentence that could actually be the answer because it says that we must respect the power and mysteries of our ocean. And like the sentence said that what shows that you need to respect the ocean.
Oh, I agree because it says that you have to respect the power and like if you want to like continue like making like if taking information and also like making money if you're gonna do that.
The last line, which it says, we must respect the power and mystery of our oceans if we hope to uncover their many secrets. And I said that because what we underline is talking about respecting the ocean and its treasures, and the last line is also talking about the same.
So actually, the same one as you did, it explicitly said that we must respect the ocean and their power and the mystery. And then in the hint, it says which choice explains more about the central idea. So I knew it was not the central ideas we chose, but another supporting detail, which I came to a conclusion it was the last one.
Nobody's always going to be there. It's like your mom's always going to be there. Your dad's always going to be there. So you need to be independent. And you have to know what to do. You have to look for them to help you.
Cool. So what it means is that like she needs to just grow up and try to deal with it. Because if she wasn't here, her mother would just like put herself about because she's sick. She just has to.
Partner A, who is? Partner A, Babble.
So and then she got a good one and then